How to buy a domain from GoDaddy.com. So from here, if you want to go ahead and buy a domain, make sure you're logged into GoDaddy by any of your Facebook or your Gmail account. And then from here, you'll go ahead to the search bar and search for any of the domain you want. Let's search for wyatt.com for example. So I want to buy this. So simply go ahead and press on search domains. So it will list you the domains that are right here. From here, if you want to go ahead and buy it, simply you can go ahead and add any of the domain into your cart. So I want the sweatit.com, so simply go ahead and add it to your cart. So once you add it to your cart, you can press on continue, and then once you press on continue, it will require you to continue to cart. So simply go ahead and press on continue to cart. So here you'll be requiring your payment method. So if you can see, by default it is read to 5 years. You can select according to your wish. So I require for it for like 1 year, and it will substantially degrade your amount for you as well. So it says it will be like 39 rupees per month. So for here you can simply go ahead and get it, and then simply press on ready for checkout. Once you're ready, you can see that subtotal Indian rupees is like 613.16 rupees. Simply press on ready for checkout. You'll be requiring your billing information, so simply press on save by filling all this, and then it will direct you towards the payment method site where you'll be either paying through your bank or your PayPal or your card, your debit or credit card. So that's how you do it. That's how you purchase domain in GoDaddy. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.